everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this awesome DIY. I ended up making the joy wreath. I've been wanting to make it forever, so I'm excited to share it with you guys. And I also made a bow. I'm excited to share that with you also. Keep watching. Alright, so these are the things you're going to be needing. I got these ones at Dollar Tree. This one of course is going to be for the J, for joy. And then the wreath that I have here, I already had it, so I don't remember if I had got it at Dollar Tree a long time ago or if I got it at Walmart. And then I had already put the ribbon on here before, so I watched a video on how to do this also on YouTube, so I found a really good video. And this one I did like 2 years ago and I still had it. No, not 2 years ago, like a year ago. And then for the top part of it, I just kind of wanted to leave it like this, but I did wrap one of these ones. So these are the ones you're gonna need. I got these from Dollar Tree. So I only got 3. I have 1, 2, and then the third one was but I thought maybe I was gonna need more, but I'm gonna try it out and see if I need more. I'm gonna have to like go get some more and continue doing it. You have to get another one of these ones so that you can create the Y. What you're going to do, I know you probably don't see it, but I'm going to use the wire cutters to cut it right here, and then I'm going to hot glue the top part on the bottom, so that creates a Y. And I don't know if I'm going to cut it shorter. I haven't decided. And then I also got these at Walmart because I'm going to be hanging them on the wall. It's going to spell out the word joy. I also watched a video on how to make this ribbon, how to make this bow. The ribbon I had got from Dollar Tree. I wish they have different kinds, but this is all they had. So I wasn't really liking this ribbon. I don't know, I just don't like the colors. So today I went to Walmart and I got this one. I thought it was really pretty. Okay, so I want to create the Y. Like I said, I'm going to use this for the top part of the Y, and then you have to make sure that you have some heavy duty wire cutters, because if not, it's not going to cut through this. I already tried cutting it and it worked. So here, very strong. I'm going to be putting this right here. I want to, I don't know, maybe I'll do it this way. Probably this way? Should I do it this way, or should I do it this way? Alright, so I kind of put the letters on the tile on my kitchen floor, and I kind of used the kitchen floor to measure to see how big they are. And here, let me stand up so you guys can see better. So you can kind of see that the J is maybe like an inch taller than the Y, and I really want to cut it, but I think I'm just going to leave it like that. I really want to cut it, but I think I'm just gonna have to leave it. Alright, so I gotta glue the Y, just connect it right there in the middle with some hot glue, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start wrapping the garland around. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to wrap one of these. Hopefully it's enough. If not, I'm gonna have to go to the store and buy some more. This one it says 15 feet. I got it at Dollar Tree. I'm going to open it up. Alright, so I took off the little tag, and it's a lot, but I don't know if it's going to fill up the whole thing. Literally all you're doing is just wrapping. I'm just gonna kind of put it, you just wrap it. I mean, it's got wire underneath, so it's easy to work with. And all I'm doing is wrapping, can we see? Yeah. Wrapping it around this J. Okay. Thank you. If there's a different method to do this, please share it with me, because this is the first time I'm making this. I saw a video last year and I really wanted to make it, and I never got the chance to. Clearly it was not enough. Okay, So I still have like this much left to cover, and this was only with one. So I'm probably gonna have to go to the store and go buy some more, but let me finish it off with this, and I'm probably not gonna have enough for the Y. Don't you just love trips to Dollar Tree? Yes. Okay.
Alright, so I'm just gonna finish it up using the other garland that I had for the Y. Just like this. And honestly, you gotta push it down and just mess with it because I'm almost done with the J. Just one more again. Just like that. What do you think? Do you like it?
Do you like it? Okay, so now basically you have to cut it with the wire cutters. And then just bend it in. Mess with it, make sure that it's the way you want it. This is all I have left for the Y. It's not gonna be enough. So I think it's like 1.5. It's 1.5 for each one. Okay, let me lay it down. Go ahead and look at it. Let me just put these together so you can kind of see what we have so far. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's just missing the bow, but I think I love it. All right, here's the Y. Super cool. I just took some hot glue and just kind of went to town with it. I just kind of put a lot of not super glue, hot glue. And let's hope it stays together. So I'm gonna start wrapping it.
So now I'm gonna start wrapping the Y with the little bit of garland that I have.
Okay, so that's all I got to do. I'm missing another one, so I'm gonna have to go get some more. So it's very easy to make. You just gotta make sure you do it a couple of times and then you'll figure it out. I'm going to make like a 5, I don't know, maybe like a 6-inch bow. Okay, so this is about like 6 inches, just like this, okay? Lay it flat. Let me turn it around this way so you can see. About this much. It's about 6 inches, okay? Then what you're going to do is you're going to create 3 loops. So you're wrapping it around 3 times. So I'm going to put my finger, one finger here, and flattening it like this. It has to be the same length, just like that. So and then I'm going to wrap it again, bringing it under, just like that. And then I'm going to do it again. What that creates 2 loops, okay? Then I'm going to do it one more time to create 3 loops.
If you look at your bow, it should be good size.
Yeah, it should have 6. So see, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that means that there's 3 loops inside because there's 6 layers. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it right here, just like this, just like that. And I'm gonna put it to the side, and I'm going to cut the ends, okay? The ends, you kind of want them to be about the same length, maybe a little bit shorter, whatever. So I'm gonna double this. I'm gonna double this. So these are going to be the ends, just like that.
So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this. Stop it.
Okay. So I have the 2 ends because we're going to be adding them to our bow, okay? So I have the bow and then the 2 ends, and then now I need to create the knot that's gonna go in the middle, okay? What you wanna do with this ribbon is you're going to create a knot. You're gonna grab your ends, you're gonna create a knot, just like this, but you gotta make sure that the pretty side is showing, just like that. And then kind of tighten it a little bit so it looks like this, okay? You're gonna put this around your bow. All right, so now I have my hair tied. The lady that I saw make this, she used zip ties, but I don't have any, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use this. This is what I used on my bow. What you're gonna do is you're going to I'm going to do it this way because then you have this flap on the back. You're going to scrunch it up like this. Right now, don't even worry about how it looks because here in a little bit, we're going to fluff it up, okay? Just like that. Then you're going to get your ends and you're going to squish it up like this, scrunch it up, whatever you want to call it. Bend it down a little bit. That's what I like about the wire is that you're able to move it. Again, I'll show you. Squished it up, and then what you want to do is you want to put it on the back of the bow because you don't want it on the front. And then with your liga or your hair tie, see how these are going to come to the front just like this once we're done. Just like that. You're going to take your liga and you're going to wrap it around to hold them together, okay?
Just make sure that this part is facing forward. I'm gonna wrap it like 3 times, okay? It should be tight enough.
The hair tie in the middle, try to scoot it over and make it as even as possible or centered. Your 2 ends, and then the 2 ends right here, okay? Now what you're going to do is you're going to take this thing. This is what's gonna cover the hair tie right there. Because of course you don't want that to show, so I'm just gonna use this and I'm going to wrap it in the back and I'm going to tie it.
On the back. Just tie a knot. Maybe I should have made it a little bit longer, but it's okay. Because it's not long enough.
Okay, so see how it just covered everything? Let me cut these little ends. I don't like those little ends. It just covered it, and now you can't see it. Ta-da! All right, now what you're gonna do is now the fun part. You're going to spread these out. Let me put it down, just like this. Okay. So what you're going to do is now you have your 2 ends. You have your 2 ends also. 2 bows, whatever they're called. Anyways, so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna fluff it up. So basically, you're just gonna pull them apart. There's 3 of them in here. And then you're just gonna play with it and see how you like it. I like to push in a little bit and it makes it a little bit thicker or fatter. And I'm gonna do the same thing to this side. This side, you can cut it off, whatever, hide it.
Here, it's your bow. Okay, pull them out. There's this one and then this one right here. I should have bent it a little bit more, but it's fine. This is what I have. This piece right here, you can even just cut it off. Put it to the back, hide it in the back.
But there's our bow. What do you think? Like it? Now what I want to do is I'm going to cut the ends.
Just kind of figure out where the center eyeball it. And there you go. And there you go. Can you put pasta inside and then can you put the dishes away? You haven't done it.
If you feel like they're too long, you can definitely cut them a little bit more. But this is going to be our bow that's going to go on the wreath. See how you have this end right here? You can cut it off. You don't have to leave it on. I'm just going to go ahead and cut it because you're not going to see it on the back anyways. We're going to hot glue it together. And there's your bow. What do you think? Alright guys, so it's clearly the next day. I had to go to Dollar Tree and buy another garland because it just wasn't enough. So here I am finishing up the Y. After we finished it, I put it all together so that you could see it. It was amazing. I think it's really pretty. My daughter and my brother were actually saying that I should add lights. I don't know, what do you think? Should we add some lights? Let me know what you think down in the comments below. And we did use those hooks that I was telling you I got at Walmart, and we hung them up on the wall, and it turned out beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.